Right then guys, welcome back to another video at Motorsport and Performance. Today we've got our demo car in. You've seen it before, it's the Asbo RTR Spec 2. Dee's had it out on track. We are going Spec 3 with it, but in between, as friends at Borla have sent us something across rather special. So we have a Borla Atak with black chrome tips and the X-pipe. Whether it's an S550 or an S650, Borla do two different types of exhaust. So we've opted for the Atak purely because this car has GPFs fitted still. So this will improve the sound. It's a little bit more aggressive. However, if you're wanting to remain OEM, but a little bit louder, a bit more of a deeper Mustang V8 tone, then the S-Type is the exhaust for you. Now, they do both retain the factory valves, so you still retain the function of having quiet mode to race mode. So, with that being said, the team at MAP would like to give an extra special thank you to Borla for providing this system and sponsoring the RTR build. Let's get it all fitted and see how it sounds. Right then guys, there you have it. You've seen the before and afters of the Borla Atak system fitted. Once again, a massive thank you to Borla for sending us this system. And if you've got any inquiries about a Borla system, we are the UK's supplier, so don't hesitate to get in touch.